Hello, is it?
This
Yo.
is another one.
What are you guys doing?
Oh yeah, actually we are learning Morse code now.
Morse code? What even is that?
Okay, let me teach you about Morse code. Morse code is basically a telecommunication method that encodes text character into a series of two signals, dot and dash. It was invented in the United States by Samuel F.V. Morse in the 1830s and later improved by Alfred Vail.
Oh, okay. But why was it created though?
Back then, there were no phones or internet. People needed a way to send messages quickly over long distance. That's where Morse code and the telegraph system came in.
Here's the Morse code alphabet. Every letter made using combinations of dot and dashes. Like this, A is dot dash and B is dash dot dot dot.
And that's Samuel Morse, the man behind the code. Without him, we won't have the digital communication we know today. And he's the one who converted the alphabet into Morse code.
Imagine needing to send a message from one city to another. Instead of sending a letter that takes days, Morse code let them send it in seconds, which is through electrical signals.
Let's say we want to send hello in Morse code. It will be... Well, this is the example of it.
And guess what? All of that just use two signals, dot, dash. That's it.
People use flashlights, electrical taps, and even sound to send Morse code.
Well, Morse code is still used today, such as in aviation, emergency rescues, and ham radios.
Oh, so what did the Morse message earlier actually say?
It was welcome. See? Just dot and dash, but it speaks loud and clear.